having an amazing sale and they asked me if I wanted to share my favorite green beauty products with you guys, and I of course said yes because I love sharing some of my favorite stuff with you guys. So green beauty involves not only purely organic products but also products which are focused around nature. Like mainly all of the active ingredients are nature derived. So I will be sharing some of my favorites with you all, which you probably would have seen me either using or in my empties or in my routines or just somewhere. You would have seen these somewhere or the other, probably on Snapchat, because I give these random Snapchat routines as well, like I keep doing them. So yes, without any further ado, let's just move into the video and let me share some of my favorite green beauty products with you all. Now this is not in any particular order. The first thing that comes to my hand is this Kama Ayurveda Pure Mogra Water. Now I am a mist person. I love mist because I come from dry skin type. So mist just really hydrate my face back up. I feel like mists are great for all skin types because it hydrates your skin and everyone needs a good hydration. So I've been loving this Kama Ayurveda Pure Mogra Water. As you can see, I've already finished a lot of it. Everyone in my family actually loves this. It just refreshes you on another level and it's just everything and so much more. This is not only nature derived, but this is pure and organic, no preservatives, no nothing. This is just like pure Mogra water. So yes, this is love. Next up, I have this Juicy Chemistry Argan and Rose Moisturizer. This is a natural moisturizer. This is a face oil. Now one thing about this that I do want to say is that it can be slightly strong for some skin types. On me particularly, it's not strong, but I have read comments wherein people are saying that this is slightly strong and you need to apply it like with a very light hand. So yes, please make sure you do a patch test first. For some skin types, it might be perfectly fine to just go all ham in. But then for other skin types, you might just require a little lesser product. So work according to what your skin type is. For me, this works out beautifully. I love to use this at night time just to like give my skin a nice moisturized base. And also I love to use this on my lips to prep them before liquid lipsticks. Again, I have used a lot of it. You can't really see how much, but I have used a lot of that. So we have that. Then we have the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleansing Water. Now, do I really need to say this? I've already emptied one of this and this is my second bottle and I'm already done with more than half of it. Now, this gets rid of anything and everything. You can have XYZ amount of makeup, glittered eyes and just like black lips, and this would remove it. It's just really good and it's so light on the skin. It's made with rice water as its central feature, and rice water is amazing for the skin. It not only brightens your skin but also hydrates it and moisturizes it, which is really good. And it's just so good. However, I do wish the pump mechanism of this was a little better because the first time you squirt it down, it just goes everywhere. But after that, it's really good. Like the first time, it's kind of hard to pump it for the first time. After that, I have the Nature's Co Peppermint Foot Soak. Again, I've used more than half of this. This is just like such a great thing, especially for summers, because in summers, let's be really close and let's just like have a nice, very intimate moment right here. In summers, we tend to sweat, and when we sweat, our feet can smell really bad. Our feet can smell really bad. It can transfer into our shoes, and then whenever we wear our shoes, our feet tend to smell bad. So this is amazing for that. It does two things. Not only does it make your feet smell fresh because it has peppermint in it, but it also is antibacterial. So a lot of times when sweat accumulates in our shoes and in between our toes, we can get fungal infections, and I'm sure no one of us wants that. So this really just helps in cleansing your foot, making sure there is no fungus there, and then there is no bad odor or anything. So I like to soak my feet in this, like it relaxes you down. The third thing, it is actually a foot soak salt, and it's just amazing at what it does. This is completely 100% natural, and it just smells so fresh. It smells like peppermint, of course. The salts also ease up your feet, so if you're someone like me who does work out and tends to get like sore legs and feet, then you can definitely try this one out to just ease your muscles in. Then I have the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. Again, something that I have used a lot, like you can see. So this is a very lightweight serum. It's perfect for all skin types because it gets absorbed into your skin like that. What I've noticed with this one, that it tends to clear out your skin. So if you're someone who has pigmentation or acne scarring, this really helps in just clearing out and blurring your skin over a period of time. Obviously, all of these products and anything in general requires a lot of time to work in and to show a difference in your skin. But this one is just so good. The fact that I love about it is that it does not tend to sit on your skin for really long. It gets absorbed, which is something I like. I hate serums which sit on the skin and feel greasy, sticky. I just no. Then I have the Face Shop Chia Seed Hydrating Toner. Now this one is love. I've already finished one bottle of this. This is my second bottle. Not even kidding you, ever since I've come back from Korea, toner has become such a holy grail for me. Before going to Korea, I was like never a toner person, but now I'm just like all about the toner life. I've seen that this one gives me such a nice glow. Whenever I do the 7-step toner regime, my dad and everyone actually is like, you're glowing, and I love that fact. So try to do at least like 3-step or 4-step toner every single day so that I have glowing nice skin. A lot of you actually have also been commenting that my skin has been glowing even without makeup. So toner it is, guys, toner. And this one is like a hydrating toner, so it does not dry my skin down. And the active ingredients in this one does include chia seeds and its extracts, so it's really good for people who have drier skin and want something that hydrates their skin back. Next up, I have this Island Kiss Puerto Berry Blush. This says it's a lip moisturizer. I would rather call it a lip tint, a lip stain, lip tint. It's 100% natural and it just like really gives your lips a beautiful little tint. It does moisturize it, but it's not the most moisturizing lip balm out there. But you can also eat it. It's edible, which is the best thing. And it gives a very nice color. That's why I love it, because for some days you don't want to wear a lipstick or anything. You just want a nice tint on your lips with a little bit of moisturization. For those days, this is a great product. Next up, I have the Delon Organic Now shampoo. Now this is an organic shampoo, so this is free of SLS, paraben, whatever that chemical name is. But yes, it's free of all of that. So if you are looking for something that's organic, would love your hair, wouldn't strip it out of any moisture, then this is a very good product to go for. The base of this is aloe vera gel, so it's very mild on the hair and it moisturizes as well. It doesn't even have any added colors, which is a nice thing because your hair is actually getting something directly from the nature. So I love this one. It's very mild on the hair and it's perfect for everyday usage as well, which will ensure that you don't get any hair fall or hair damage over a period of long time. For conditioners, I've been loving the Force Essential Hair Condition. This is the Indian Rose Absolute variant. I recently did my hair care routine and I have been using the shampoo from this range as well, and it just literally, it smells so beautiful. It smells like roses. Now this conditioner is slightly thinner than what I prefer. Generally I like thicker conditioners, but what I noticed with thicker conditioners is that they tend to weigh your hair down. So if you're someone who has to wash their hair every single day, then probably it's not a big of an issue. But for a person like me who washes my hair either alternate days or like 3 days, like on the 3rd day, so by the 2nd day my hair is like really weighed down because of the conditioner, because it's so thick and it really just makes your ends very heavy. I hope you understand that. So this in that terms is a little thinner, so it does moisturize my hair perfectly well, but it does not weigh my hair down, and the fragrance is to die for. That's like another level altogether. The fragrance is my favorite. Then of course I had to add in some sheet masks. These are by The Face Shop. I have a couple of variants. You can always check out all of the variants on their site, and I have a complete video on The Face Shop sheet mask, so you can check that one out as well. I will leave a link in the bottom bar for you guys. So we have sheet masks, which I love. Now sheet masks are just a replacement for serums for intense moisturization. So for some days when you feel your skin is like you can apply a sheet mask and it will like intensely hydrate it. Although Koreans say that you should apply one sheet mask every day, and I tried it for a week and my skin was like I will be doing it again soon. So yes, I want my skin to be la again. So yeah, sheet masks are a must. And I feel like currently these are on a buy 5 get 5 discount. So I don't know about you, but I will be stocking up. Next up, I have this Balm Cosmetics Angel's Delight Shea Body Butter with pure bergamot and geranium oils. Now this one, it's so beautiful. I love the fragrance of this one. It's a very thick and heavy moisturizer. So it's perfect for winters, and because winters are coming, GOD reference, GOD is coming soon too, like in a day, and I'm so excited. If you are a fan of GOD as well, comment below, let me know. Let's just talk about Cersei and Khaleesi and Jon Snow, or whoever you think is gonna be the ruler of the Iron Throne. Like not the Iron Throne, like the 7 kingdoms, but will sit on the Iron Throne. Anyway, coming back to topic. I digress too much. So yeah, this is a very thick moisturizer, but you can always like layer it up or use it a little bit. So I just like to use it a little bit in summers, and I especially love this for my elbows and my knees, because my elbows and my knees tend to get really dry, and because this is au natural, it's really good for your body. Also, before I move on to my next product, I think this is currently on a buy one get one right now. Again, I don't know about you, but I might be stocking up. Next we have this Pure Sense Relaxing Macadamia Hand Poured Body Massage Candle. Now this is one of the most novel items I own. I love this two bits. Now this is a candle which is like a massaging candle. So you just burn it. As you can see, I have used a little bit of that up. So you just burn it. It smells beautiful first of all. It's just so beautiful. I have a whole review on it and a whole demo. If you want, you can just check it out. So yeah, you just burn it a little and the wax starts to melt, and then you take the spatula, you scoop it out, you apply it on your body, and then you just like massage it in. It's not too hot, it's not too anything. It's just beautiful and it just moisturizes your skin so well. So it's perfect actually for date nights, I believe, like when you're having a date night and you want a romantic candle. So this can be a romantic candle and then you can massage either your partner or yourself. I said the same line in my review and I regretted saying it, and I'm so stupid I'm saying it again. But yes, this is such a nice item, guys, and you should definitely check this one out. Next up, I have the Sanjeevani Beauty Alexa. Again, I have a whole review on it. This is a slightly expensive product, I believe, but this is an investment piece in your skin. Now this has a very weird texture, something that I love. So it's like a putty almost, like I don't know how to explain this, but it's a very weird texture. You can definitely check my review out, and it just like disappears into the skin when you apply it. It literally just, it doesn't even look like you had applied anything, and it works perfectly well as a primer because the texture of this cream is very close to what a primer, like an illuminating primer, would be like. So this works as a primer as well. So if you do end up purchasing this, you are not only paying for an Alexa but for a primer, like think it in that way. So yes, this one is definitely a luxury item, but it looks so beautiful sitting on your vanity. I love this. Next up, I have the Body Shop Vitamin E Moisture Cream. Now as you can see, this is quite a loved product. It's not too heavy, it's a very light consistency, it just melts into your skin, but yet manages to moisturize it to another level altogether, which I love. Again, as much as I love like moisturizers and thick lotions, I don't like the fact that a lot of them can get very heavy on your skin and can sit on top of your skin. So I love to use something that's very gel-like consistency, that it like melts into my skin and yet moisturizes it, and this one does that perfectly well. The last one I want to talk to you guys about is the Pure Sense Relaxing Macadamia Soothing Body Mist. Now this one is such a nice product. You can just mist it on your body. Smells like heaven. I love the fragrance of macadamia. Smells like heaven, and it just relaxes you down. It's aromatherapy in a bottle for you guys, and it's just so damn good. Again, it moisturizes your skin at it as well, so you are not only spraying something for aromatherapy, you're also moisturizing your skin, and it also relaxes your body from within, not only mentally but from within as well, which is something amazing. I love Pure Sense as a brand. Pure Sense has my heart. It has just so many amazing products. I feel like going back to it again and again. It's just really nice. Of course, those are not all of the products that I have been loving. I love so many more products, but I keep on giving you different recommendations every time because I don't want it to get boring and monotonous for you guys as well. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do it to comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys super soon. Till then, you can follow me on all of my other social media, which will be listed in the bottom bar as usual for you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.